More news coming in at this point in time. It's a major setback to the Karnataka government. The Dharwad bench of the Karnataka High Court has stayed the state government's order that required private organizations to seek permission before conducting activities within the government premises. Now, the order being seen as targeting the activities of the RSS that saw a fair amount of sparring as well has been put on hold by Justice Naga Prasanna's single judge bench, which issued an interim stay and posted the matter for further hearing on the 17th of November, is what we are learning. The petition challenging the government's directive was filed by, in fact, an organization or by one Punna Chaitanya Seva Samaste. The detail that we have with us. Sagai has more. Sagai, talk to us about how big the setback this is to the Karnataka government. Of course, this order had led to a lot of sparring between the Congress and the BJP in the state, isn't it? Sagai. The petition challenging the government's directive was filed earlier. The plea essentially was in the Karnataka High Court. It's a setback now with the Siddaramaiah government's ban on RSS activities that were to be carried out within the premises of the government. Remember, Priyank Kharge, minister within the government himself, had written to the Chief Minister's office saying that there has to be a ban on these activities that are being carried out by the RSS and similar such organizations and government institutions. The Dharwad bench
the order
of the Karnataka High Court has stayed the state government's order that required private organizations to seek permission before conducting these activities. Going straight across to BJP's Tejasvi Surya.
Partaking in RSS Pathasanchalan, even that is going to be coming up for hearing, or maybe the hearing is going on.
Interim state is
That is okay. The order will be, the further hearing will take place. I am very confident that even the suspension order will be stayed today in the KAT because it is an absolutely blank, non-speaking, unreasonable order. Both these orders will be a slap on the government.
So this is what BJP MP Tejasvi Surya had to say. He says that it was unconstitutional order from the Karnataka government, and he also said that he filed a petition against the government employees who have been suspended by the government for partaking in the RSS event. And as we speak now, the Dharwad bench in Karnataka state have put an interim stay on the government circular which asked the private organization, including RSS, to seek permission from the government much before they organize any kind of activities inside government premises. This is a major setback for the Karnataka government. Probably it is an interim stay, but as BJP MP Tejasvi Surya was telling, that he is hoping that the issue will be sorted out and the verdict will be in their favor after the conclusion of the entire hearing of this particular petition in Dharwad bench.
You know, Sagai, the fact of the matter is that there was no outright ban on RSS, but the insinuation, the suggestion was that all of these activities will not be allowed, and this included activities of the RSS. Talk to us about what the circular had said to begin with.
Circular has categorically mentioned that any organization which would like to organize any kind of events in the government premises or in the school grounds or school premises, they have to take prior permission from the government, and the government will look into their background and thereafter they will give permission. So the government is the sole authority to grant permission. They will see the history of the organization, and if you notice that whether it is Chief Minister Siddaramaiah or IT Minister Priyank Kharge who have proposed this, both of them have categorically mentioned that the organization should be a registered organization, and even their history of the organization should not provocate or intimidate people. So they were indirectly targeting organization like RSS, saying that it is an unregistered organization and there is a history of allegations against them. So they say that whichever organization and whoever is going to take permission, they have to seek prior permission. Organizing government events, they have to seek prior permission, and subsequently the government will look into those plea and go ahead and authorize them to hold any kind of activities in the government premises. If the government says no, they cannot go ahead and organize any kind of activities in the government buildings or government schools and grounds.
You know, the fact of the matter is that the Karnataka government, the Congress government there has said that this isn't anything different. In fact, the BJP is unaware of its own government's decision that was taken way back in 2013 when the BJP was in power in the states. Okay, that's the Congress's argument.
Absolutely. The Congress government claims that it is BJP which is trying to accommodate RSS whether they organize any kind of events, and they have also said that there is an act, the Government Employees Act, which should be followed, which was being passed by their own government in the year 2013 by the Chief Minister Jagadish Shettar, as no government premises should be given for any kind of private programs, and they have to seek prior permission. So the government went on to say that they try to implement the orders of the BJP government with a stringent law. This time they have to follow stringently, and nobody should go against this law. And they have also went on to say that the government employees should also stay away from any kind of political events, including RSS event. And there were a couple of government employees who have been suspended after they have taken part in RSS events in Raichur and Kalaburagi districts.